Hi, for this tutorial we'll be looking at putting data from a table into a column graph. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is click on your Insert tab and select the Chart option. Column graph is the default setting for this dialog box, and for this activity we'll be using this style. You can click OK or press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will be opened and it will display data that is the default data. As you can see, you already have your column graph in the Word document, but we'll be changing that shortly. First thing you'll need to do in Excel is change the size of your chart data range. To do that, click in the bottom right hand corner, hold it down and drag across. You're also going to drag it down one row. You can just select the data that's there and delete that. If you check over in your Word document, there's already been quite a change to the data there. Click in the cell that has category 1. We're going to type in there Italian. To move into the next cell, you use the Tab key and type 40. To move down, just press the Enter key. And then we type in Chinese and Tab 30 and Enter. Thai, one of my favourite foods, and we type in 25, Enter. French, Tab 10, and at last the Japanese. Tab and type in 5. For the moment we won't be requiring the Excel, so I'm just going to maximise the Word document now. We now have to format our column graph. The first thing we're going to do is change the title. We're going to change this to Favourite Cuisines. Now before we leave that box, we're actually going to include the scale. Now the scale, if you have a look on the vertical graph, all the boxes or lines are going up in 5. Now this is the scale. It's the value of each box. So the scale is 1 is to 5. Is to is represented with a colon and it means equal to 5. The next thing we're going to do is we no longer need this, so we just click on that box and press delete. A graph is like a story and you need to keep your readers informed. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually label both the horizontal and vertical axes. To do this, you need to go up to your Chart Tools section and click on Layout. Select Axis Titles, and we'll do the horizontal one first. There's only one option. Click on that, select, and type in Cuisines. To label your vertical axis, return to the titles, select Vertical, and we'll do the rotated title. Again, select, and type in number of respondents. Respondents are people who complete a survey. You've now completed your column graph. The only thing left is if you want to change the look of it. And to do that, go back up to your Chart Tools and click on Design. You're currently using this design. If you go to the list arrow and click, you have an array that you can choose from. For this activity, I'm just going to select that. 1,